Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best car vacuum cleaner reviews, selected for their strong suction, portable handling, and quick interior cleaning, helping drivers keep seats, carpets, and tight spaces spotless without wasting time or storage space. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. ABIR VC205 Car Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR VC205 Car Vacuum Cleaner is a premium cordless cleaning solution designed for users who want strong suction power and smart cleaning technology in one compact device. Equipped with an impressive 27,000 PA suction capability, this vacuum easily removes dust, pet hair, crumbs, and stubborn debris from cars, carpets, sofas, beds, and hard floors. Its advanced cyclonic technology improves airflow efficiency while maintaining powerful suction throughout the cleaning process. The Smart Dust Detection System is one of its standout features. Automatically identifies dirty areas and displays a red ring light on the touchscreen until the surface becomes clean, where it then changes to blue. The ultra-large LCD touchscreen also provides maintenance notifications and dynamic speed information for a more modern cleaning experience. With a battery life of up to 40 minutes, the cordless design offers excellent flexibility without the hassle of tangled wires. The package includes multiple attachments, such as a bed cleaning brush, LED floor brush, crevice nozzle, and soft brush, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. The E13 grade Hepa filtration system captures fine dust particles and allergens efficiently, improving air quality while cleaning.
Number 2. Mijia Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Mijia Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight and portable cleaning device built for quick and efficient cleaning tasks in both cars and homes. Weighing only around 0.5 kilograms, this compact vacuum cleaner is easy to carry and operate with one hand, making it ideal for cleaning tight corners, car seats, keyboards, sofas, and office desks. Despite its mini size, the vacuum delivers powerful 13,000 PA suction with the help of a high-speed brushless motor running at 88,000 RPM. This strong airflow effectively removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and other small debris from hard-to-reach spaces. The cordless design allows users to clean freely without worrying about cables, while the one-button start and one-touch dust disposal system make operations simple and hygienic. The battery performance is also practical for daily use, offering up to 30 minutes of runtime on low mode and around 9 minutes on high power mode for tougher dirt. Multiple nozzles are included to handle different cleaning situations efficiently.
Number 3. Baseus A5 Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus A5 Car Vacuum Cleaner is a modern cordless vacuum designed to provide powerful and consistent cleaning performance for vehicles and home interiors. Featuring an advanced high-speed brushless motor, the vacuum generates up to 12,000 PA suction power, allowing it to remove dust, food crumbs, hair, and debris from deep crevices and upholstery effectively. One of its most useful features is the intelligent blockage alert system, which reminds users when the filter needs cleaning or replacement to maintain peak performance. This smart maintenance function helps extend the lifespan of the vacuum while ensuring reliable suction. The updated cyclone technology improves dust separation using centrifugal force, reducing filter blockage and preventing overheating during operation. Baseus also includes a practical 2-in-1 suction nozzle that combines a crevice tool and bristle brush, making it suitable for dashboard, vents, seats, carpets, and delicate surfaces. The dual AI chip system further enhances durability and suction stability, ensuring long-lasting performance over time.
Number 4. Mijia 2400 mAh Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Mijia 2400 mAh Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and efficient cordless cleaner designed for users who need reliable cleaning performance in a compact form. With strong 21 kPa suction power, this vacuum can quickly remove dust, pet hair, snack crumbs, and fine debris from car interiors, furniture, carpets, and small household spaces. Its upgraded brushless motor increases suction efficiency significantly, ensuring faster and deeper cleaning results compared to ordinary portable vacuums. The 5-stage filtration system is another excellent feature, helping trap fine particles and preventing secondary pollution during operation. This makes the vacuum suitable for maintaining cleaner indoor air while cleaning sensitive areas. Powered by a 2400 mAh battery pack, the device provides solid runtime for routine cleaning sessions and supports fast charging in approximately 1.5 hours, reducing downtime during emergencies. The 150 milliliter large dust cup minimizes the need for frequent emptying, improving overall convenience. Number 5. Hepa Functional Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Hepa Functional Car Vacuum Cleaner is a heavy-duty cordless cleaning device built for users who need powerful suction and larger debris capacity for extended cleaning sessions. Equipped with a high-horsepower copper core motor, the vacuum provides strong suction performance capable of handling dust, hair, dirt, and debris from cars, carpets, bedding, furniture, and hard-to-reach corners. Its large 0.7-liter dust tank allows users to clean longer without frequent emptying, which is especially useful for larger cleaning jobs. The cyclonic action technology directs debris away from the filter, helping maintain stable suction performance and reducing clogging issues during operation. The washable and replaceable filter system also improves long-term efficiency and lowers maintenance costs. Designed with cordless functionality, the vacuum offers better mobility and flexibility while cleaning indoor and outdoor areas. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods, while the built-in LED light helps users see dust clearly in dark corners or under furniture. And that wraps up the top 5 best car vacuum cleaner reviews. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you next one.